How to buy a Tesla robot. Tesla's humanoid robot known as Optimus represents the future of automation and robotics. While the full-sized robot is not yet available for consumer purchase, Tesla has outlined its development timeline and pricing, along with offering a collectible version for enthusiasts. What is the Tesla Optimus robot? Tesla Optimus is a humanoid robot designed for tasks such as manufacturing assistance, household chores, and even personal companionship. Built with Tesla's AI technology, it promises high functionality and adaptability. Current availability of Tesla Optimus. The full-sized Optimus robot is still under development. Elon Musk has indicated that limited production may begin in 2025, with broader availability expected by 2026. Projected price of Tesla Optimus. The estimated price range for the Optimus robot is between $20,000 and $30,000, making it relatively affordable compared to other high-end robotic systems. Tesla Bot Action Figure for collectors. Tesla has released a 1:10 scale Tesla Bot Action Figure featuring over 40 parts and 20 points of articulation. Priced at $40, this collectible quickly sold out, reflecting high interest in Tesla's robotics. Where to buy the Tesla robot in the future? Once available, the Tesla Optimus robot will likely be sold through Tesla's official website and authorized Tesla stores. Pre-order options may also be offered when production is announced. Preparation for purchasing Optimus. Interested buyers should stay updated through Tesla's official channels, ensure their Tesla accounts are active, and be prepared for quick orders due to anticipated high demand. Potential uses for Tesla Optimus. Optimus is designed for a variety of applications, including industrial automation, household tasks, elderly care, and even customer service, making it a versatile addition to both homes and businesses. Challenges in purchasing Optimus. High demand and limited production capacity may make purchasing Optimus challenging. Early announcements and pre-order windows will be critical for securing a unit. Staying updated on Tesla robot releases. Regularly check Tesla's official updates, news releases, and product announcements to stay informed about the availability and purchasing process of the Optimus robot. Tesla Optimus promises to revolutionize robotics, offering advanced functionality at a competitive price. While full-sized robots are still in development, staying connected with Tesla's updates will ensure you don't miss out when purchasing opportunities arise.